Stratford-upon-Avon Parkway station was intended to open in December of 2013. However, it was completed several months ahead of schedule and opened on the 19th of May 2013, with construction work commencing on the 17th of October 2012. It was projected that development of the station would cost £8.8 million. In July of 2011, the Department of Transport agreed to contribute £5 million under the local Sustainable Transport Fund, and in September 2011, Warwickshire County Council agreed to contribute £1.8 million. And later announced that Mott MacDonald had been appointed to produce the GRIP4 outline design of the Parkway station. So we'll get started at Stratford-upon-Avon Parkway with 172.212 and 172.213, working the 10:30 West Midlands Railway service at Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon. This today started at Birmingham Snow Hill due to a late arrival. Next arrival into the station is 172.332 with the 10:43 West Midlands Railway service from Worcestershire Hill to Stratford-upon-Avon. Departing in the opposite direction is 172.213 and 172.212 with the 10:46 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Kidderminster via Whitlock's End. Arriving next into the station is 165.017, working the 11:10 Chiltern Railway service from Leamington Spa to Stratford-upon-Avon.
This is an important announcement. On the 25th of December,
Next out two departures, 172.332 with the 11:10 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Worcester Falkirk Street via Dorwich.
this is an important announcement regarding travel by train this weekend. We will be operating a reduced service on Christmas Eve. Customers are advised to check your journey before travelling. Road transport may be in place on some areas of our network. Tickets for travel on Christmas Eve will also be valid.
And here comes our train in the form of 172.102 and 172.342 with the 11:30 West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon.
Please also be aware that train services across the network will finish early on Christmas Eve, the 24th of December. We advise that you please plan your journey accordingly.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the two videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.